And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 64 and 65, and in those episodes, Goku has defeated mercenary Tao, and now he is headed for the Red Ribbon Army headquarters. And they think that Tao is coming, so they didn't have any defenses up. They are just letting free entry, Goku's free entry. So and Bulma made a scout aeroplane, something like that device, like drone. And when she went there for scouting, she came to know about their defenses. So now they think that Goku will be attacked because Goku is going there. But they don't know that they are thinking, the Red Ribbon Army is thinking that mercenary Tao is coming instead of Goku. So now they are going to save Goku. So now we need to see what will happen if Goku reaches there first. They will see that it's not mercenary Tao and it's Goku, so they will start attacking, and then Master Roshi and the team will come there to fight them. Also, they are an army. They have cannons, tanks, guns and helicopters and whatnot, and these are just 7 people. I don't know how will they survive this war. It's literally a war. It's obviously a war because there is army involved. So yeah, let's see what happens. Because and also now we might get to see old characters. I forgot what happened to Silver. I think he was taken out, I guess, and Blue was also thrown out, so we won't get to see. And Yellow is already just he didn't have any power as such, because even during Yellow's thing we didn't fight Yellow, so he won't be there. And mercenary Tao is also out of the picture. So yeah, I think only Violet is left because she was the last one and she got the last ball. So and also about the balls, Red Ribbon Army has 3 Dragon Balls and Goku has 4 Dragon Balls. And Goku need the Dragon, because the first Goku didn't need them, but now he needs the Dragon Balls because he wants to revive his friend father. So now he is going to need. Also, everybody is coming there. Bulma and Yamcha and Oolong, everybody. So now they would also request their wish. I mean, they would also want their wishes to be fulfilled. Like Bulma would ask for a boyfriend, and yeah, whatever the others' wishes are, everybody will be asking for their wishes. So now I think, and also in the last episode we didn't saw Krillin with them. So I think Krillin is not coming. We didn't get to know where Krillin was in the last episode. So maybe we might see him in this episode or not. We might get an explanation where he is. He might be somewhere else, gone for shopping or something like last time. So let's hop into the episode number 66. Let's go. And yes, in this video I am going to react in Marathi because I saw the episode that I did react in English, and English reaction was not that impressive as Marathi. So yeah, I will be giving my intro and outro and the middle thing in English but reacting in Marathi. ओ अबे दूरच दिसून राहिलं त्याले डायरेक्ट माहीत पडणार आहे मर्सनरी ताव नाही आहे म्हणून. एक नंबर आला हो, पण मर्सनरी तावचं नाही आहे. मर्सनरी ताव नाही आहे तो. त्याने याच्यात सांगत उडाला, बरं झालं. त्याच्या मागं जाईन का गोकू? त्याच्याच मागं चालला मारासाठी. मार रे बा, त्यानं रिमोट मध्ये सांगायच्या पहिले मार त्याले. ओवे यानं बंदूक चालवणं चालू दिला. आता सारायला माहीत पडलं मर्सनरी ताव नाही आहे. झाला, खतम आहे गोकू. पहिलेच करा नव्हतं लागत तू हे. खतम. बाबू रिमोटनं सांगितलं ना तू पहिले का डायरेक्ट रिमोट वर नाही सांगितलं. काय म्हणजे आतापर्यंत त्यानं कॅमेरे नव्हते चालू केले त्याचे. वा
Get that security system up and running. All available post immediately. Yes, Commander.
अरे 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 बाबू गोकू गेला तू कामातून.
Vent shield up right now.
अरे 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 बेकार रे वा.
You little brat. I'll get you this time.
एवढे एकट्यासाठी विचारायला. एवढी कायला जमीन हाला लागते. एवढा कोणता मोठा. ओ मिसाईल आहे. मी मिसाईल नव्हतं म्हटलं पहिले. अरे 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 बेकार रे वा. मी तसं म्हटलं होतं लिटरली वॉर होणार आहे कारण आर्मी आहे बेसिकली तर. पण त्याला एकही नाही लागू राहिली. त्याला तर मारा कोणी. त्याला एकही नाही लागू राहिली. किती तुमचा चुकीचा निशाण राहू शकते. हा अशा सरळ मिसाईला चालल्या. अबे पडणार कुठं. तुमच्याच घरावर येऊन पडणार ना ते वापस. सरळ जाऊन वर कुठं जाणार आहे. चंद्रावर पोहोचणार आहे. चंद्रही तर नाही आहे या जगात. चंद्रही फुटून गेला आहे. वर जाऊन वापस खाली येऊन तुमच्याच घरात पडणार आहे ना. काय बा. अरे लागली काय. काय झाला. हा भाऊले नाही लागली. मी म्हटला गेलास का कामातून. तू जाऊन दाखव ना बाहेर टमाट्या.
I'm afraid it's too late for that, Commander. He's already in Sector 12.
Attention all personnel, intruder alert. Base breached in Sector 12. Do not let him through. Destroy the trespasser.
चला रे वा बाहेर चला सगळे.
All men to Sector 12.
घ्या त्याला फाईलावर. काही कोणी काही नाही करू शकत रे वा. अरे 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 बंदुकीत काही नाही करू शकत त्याला. खतम काम आहे भाऊचं. आता कुठं जायचं आहे. जवळ आहे जवळ आहे जवळ आहे. बाबू रेड तयार राहायचो.
I wonder where everyone went. No one seems to be here.
अबे जमा. अबे बंदुकीनं काही होत नाही ना त्याले. म्हणजे तुम्हाला वाटते का एका गोळीनं काही होत नाही तर 10 गोळ्यानं काहीतरी होईन. वा तुझ्याच घर फोडलं तू. अरे बेकार. वन मॅन आर्मी आहे रे वा. हा आर्मी वर्सेस वन मॅन आर्मी. व्हायलेट बुद्धिमान व्यक्ती है म्हणजे बाई है. तिला माहित आहे बाकीच्या गोळ्याचा काही असर नाही हो राहिला तर माझ्या गोळ्याचा कायच असर होणार आहे. तिनं ठेवून दिली बंदूक खाली. आले आले जवळ आले जवळ आले.
Let's go back to where we started.
No, we didn't pass it up. It's too big.
Take a hint. Let's go home.
That snowy mountain? The headquarters is on the other side. I'm sure of it.
चला रे वा. पण हे कोणत्या तरी गड्ड्यातून निघाले होते ना. ओ पण इथून गोकू गेला ते त्याला नाही दिसलं काय. ते त्याला पहिले सांगता नाही येत काय का मॅट आहे.
Hey, Bulma.
इथून असतं गोकू गेला.
If anyone is following us.
I don't see anything out there. but
जमिनीच्या
snow.
खालून आहे.
You sure?
भोकणी येते.
Oh no.
बोमला
I
तिले.
see something. What is that, Bulma?
It's a shark.
शार्क नाही वय ते. मेटलचा कोणता शार्क राहते. आता रे बाबू चालवता का तुले. गायडेड मिसाईल आहे काय. वर घेऊन घे ना.
On our tail.
गायडेड नसन तर.
It's a chaser missile.
Oh.
They're programmed to never give up.
Now that's persistence.
We should have gone home.
बाबू तू नव्हता आला का तिथं. तू फालतू आला. मग आता काय करायचं आहे. स्पीड आहे काय हेलिकॉप्टरले.
That's it. That's how it works.
काय काय झालं पोरीले काहीतरी सुचलं.
Okay, I think it's activated by a heat source.
So,
Huh.
what do we do?
Get rid of the booster jet.
ओ अच्छा अय वा 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 वा
See, it only
मग आता
chooses the
बूस्टर नाही
source
आहे
of the
तर
heat. It's
सरळ
a bit
जान कसे
unsophisticated by modern day standards.
Well, it still almost got us.
हो पण
Thinking there.
बूस्टर नाही आहे तर समोर जान कसे
You will never touch these lips.
अच्छा दुसरं बूस्टर आहे वा तर ते पहिलं बूस्टर यायला माहित होतं गायडेड मिसाईल येणार आहे त्याच्या मागं म्हणून पहिलं बूस्टर लावलं होतं वा पोरगी हुशार आहे तिला माहित आहे इथं राहिलं तर मरणं आहे ते पयू राहिली
No time, my boy. I have a previous engagement. I'm sure you men.
ते तशीच पयू राहिली
See ya.
तिला फाईटच नाही करायची आहे बाबू तूही पळून जाय इथं राहून काही फायदा नाही आहे रेड रिबन आर्मी तशी तुझी काही इज्जत नाही आहे रेड रिबन आर्मी मध्ये ते लोक तुझी काहीच नाही म्हणजे एकदम खतम अरे बेकार अबे काही गरज नाही आहे सध्या जेव्हा गरज असेल तेव्हा करणं हे त्या दंड्याने मारू शकतो तू काही गरज बिनफुकट इथपर्यंत पोहोचला का कामे हाम्या ते काय पुचलं तिकडचं आणि हा येल्लो काय करून राहिला इथं म्हणजे यायच्या जवळ काय जास्त टायगर लोक जास्त आहे काय टायगरच्या तोंडाची
He seems to be headed straight for wing number 8.
Just as I suspected, he's after the Dragon Ball.
Commander, you should evacuate to a secure
I'll
location.
do no such thing. I refuse to hide away from some little squirt of
चल ठीक आहे काय करशील तू मग
Strong enough to beat Tau, and now our soldiers are running in terror.
हो ना काय
no match for the Red Ribbon Army.
हो काय तू टावपेक्षा खतरनाक आहे काय स्वतःला टावपेक्षा हुशार समजतो तू हा टाव तुझ्यापेक्षा एवढा पॉवरफुल असल्यावर आहे
In that building.
हे काय काउंटिंग काय चालू आहे इथं 56 ए गोमू
Hey, you better watch where you point.
56
And I don't care. Maybe you don't believe this army is unstoppable, but I'd bet my life on it.
अबे तू जाय ना मग बाहेर एवढं तुझ्या लाईफ बेट करतात स्वतःची लाईफ खरोखरची बेट करणं बाकी ज्याची काय लाईफ खर्च करून राहिला एका जागी बसून लाईफ बेट करतो म्हणते कुठं आला अच्छा बॉल जवळ आला इथं कोणते आहे 7 5 नाही 6 आहे ते
Never let him take
6 आणि 7च नाही 2च तर आहे मग इथं त्याच्याजवळ 4 आहे अबे एक कुठं आहे मग
Commander Red, please, the odds are against us.
एक बॉल
Heat is
कुठं आहे
incredibly strong, sir. The complex is in total chaos. Besides, he already put our best officers out of commission before he even came here. Are the Dragon Balls really worth all this trouble?
हो रे वा लय खतरनाक आहे ड्रॅगन बॉल्स काय झालं अरे हो इथून बॉल नेले त्यानं अरे हेच तर रूम होती
Oh. I have to go higher, I guess. But where are the stairs?
डायरेक्ट घुसून जाय भिंतीत
Oh well.
भाऊले स्टेअर गिअर काही नाही माहित अजून वर जा
doesn't even know how to work an elevator. Somebody explain to me how the world's strongest army could lose to this imbecile.
Goku is closing in on his goal of confiscating the Dragon Balls from Commander Red. So far, the Red Ribbon forces have been unable to withstand our heroes'
हो ना पण
assault.
याच्याजवळ तर 2च
How
आहे
long can Goku
त्याच्याजवळ
sustain
4
his
आहे
offensive against these overwhelming odds? Hopefully, long enough for Yamcha and the rest of the gang to come to his aid. Because if Commander Red has his way, then Goku is about to be stopped in his tracks.
मला नाही वाटत मला बिलकुल नाही वाटत मला याच्यावर भरोसा नाही
Round 2 of this important battle.
हो काय
Next time on
बर
Dragon Ball.
ठीक आहे काही नरेटर म्हणजे काही बोलायचं काही म्हणजे आम्ही काही ऐकून घेऊ काय So now we have completed episode number 66 and the fight has started. War has started. It's basically army versus one man army. Red Ribbon Army versus one man army. And Goku is literally there half of the army, half of the men have been wiped off. So I don't know why Red is even thinking that he can beat Goku. Half of his men are gone. Even he beat Mercenary Tao, and definitely Red is not much powerful than Mercenary Tao. So why is he thinking that Goku is not going to win? I don't know. He might have something up his sleeves, because even narrator said that get ready for second round. So this was the first round and Goku won the first round. So I guess in the next episode we are going to see the second round. And yeah, also one thing, that we saw 2 Dragon Balls in Red's hands. I mean with Red. We saw 2 Dragon Balls with Red, and we know that there are 4 Dragon Balls with Goku. So where is the one remaining Dragon Ball? Where is the one ball? There are total 7 balls. It's just total into 6. 4 plus 2 6. So where is that one ball? Because Goku has 4. Yeah, I know that, because he already had 3 and then he came to here. There was 4. The Mercenary Tao took 3 there. Goku had 1, so he came back there. So he has 4. I am sure of that. But where is the remaining 1 Dragon Ball? So, is it with Red or Goku, or is it in the universe? I mean nature, and nobody has found it. And without it, I don't think Goku will be able to ask for the wish. So how is it possible that after defeating Red Ribbon Army he is going to look for the ball? Because Red Ribbon Army is obviously Red is the greatest, the baddest of this arc. So wouldn't it be reverse? Like, how can someone defeat the main villain of the arc and then continue the journey? Red Ribbon. Yeah, whatever. So let's hop into the next episode number 67. Just let's watch the episode and find out all the answer. I'm not going to ask any more questions. Let's go. Episode number 67.
He's toast. That wasn't very nice.
कोणी काही नाही करू शकत रे बा आता भाऊले. भाऊनं पुरं चेंदून टाकलं.
Forget the hazard pay. Idiots! Hundreds of trained professionals, and they can't even handle one child.
तूच आहे ना टमाट्या.
Extraordinary powers.
I can see that. I'm only missing one eye. I don't need you to point out the obvious, you imbecile.
तर तू समजल्यासारखा काऊन नाही वागत?
Properly in the first place, we wouldn't be having this problem. Honestly,
मास्टर रोशीले ट्रेन करायला सांग. याले काय सांगू राहिला ट्रेन करायसाठी? कायचं बनला रे बा ते? तुटलं नाही ते.
I should get a helmet.
You may be strong as an
अरे पण तेवढंच गोल होतं ना ते. बाकीचं तर
force with a special alloy. No one can break through it, not even you. Just look at that.
त्या वुल्वरिनच्या मेटलचं बनला आहे
Wipe
का?
them out. Isn't there one soldier
काहीतरी
in
नाव आहे
this
त्याचं.
entire army that can rid me of this minute? Ugh!
काय झालं?
Colonel Violet. I knew you wouldn't let me down.
अबे ते पळून चालली. त्याला वाटू राहिलं त्याच्याकडे येऊ राहिली.
Soldier we need in this army. Proactive, dependable, and loyal.
पळून चालली रे बा ते. पळून चालली. तुला वाचवायला नाही येऊ राहिली ते.
Looks like the ribbon has finally been cut.
वा काय डायलॉग आहे. रिबन हॅज फायनली बीन कट.
Hello,
नाईस.
Colonel Violet. What are you doing? The kid's not in that room. He's further down.
पळू राहिली ते. त्याला एवढे नाही समजत.
Huh, sir, she's headed for the safe.
अबे ते फायदा उचलू राहिली. पुरं लुटून चालली.
Double crossing two timer.
Raised. Commander, wait. Where are you going? I can't let you leave this.
तिले
It's
मारासाठी.
not secure.
The contents of that safe represent years of hard work, and it belongs to me.
अबे
Our most valuable possessions are still secure.
हा ना काय ड्रॅगन बॉल पाहिजे तुले?
No, 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 no.
अबे तू तिकडं जाशील तर गोको इथं येईन ना.
Around here. Got it?
ठीक आहे बा. काय होय हे असा कुठाही काही नसते चिपकावत. बॉम्ब लावला बाईनं. अबे तिनं तारा कसे कापले ते कुठला. अरे 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 बापा भिंतही पडली त्यासोबत.
You little jackal! If that's the way you want it, fine, but you can forget me as a reference.
Commander,
काही
it
विषय
looks
नाही.
as though the rest of the soldiers are evacuating as well.
अरे 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 बिचारा बिचारा रेड रे बा सारे पळून चालले.
This isn't a democracy. Get them back here!
Attention all personnel. No evacuation orders have been given. Return to your posts at once.
तुले त्याची काही किंमत नाही तर ते कायले राहणार आहे इथं. त्याची किंमत करणं शिक पहिले.
Traitors.
रेड
Every last one of them.
तू काय आहे मग.
Commander, it is my duty to appraise you of our situation, and right now we are outmatched. The boy is too powerful.
आता काय करशील रे बाबू.
Please, sir, we should get out of here while there's still time.
Retreat from a child? Never. You overestimate his chances.
You mean
तो
you're going
अच्छा
to
तो
fight him?
तिकडून असा पडला. मी म्हटलं तो हातावर कायले उभा आहे.
You are. I will ready our next plan.
तू चालला जाय.
You will remain here and protect our interest. I have full confidence in your ability to resolve this matter.
But Commander,
No more excuses.
तूही चालला जाय रे बा.
My orders.
काही याच्याजवळ राहून काही फायदा नाहीये.
Child, is that clear?
तू पळून जाय
clear. Crystal, sir.
व्हायलेट सोबत. आला अय गोकू आला. कुठून आला हा. बाहेरून आला हा. ठीक आहे.
Finally.
Are you the person in charge?
हो.
No, I am not the commander.
नाही नाही तूच आहे.
Where is he?
तो भागूबाई आहे.
Stop talking. You will deal with me.
Wait, I don't want to fight you. Just hand over the Dragon Balls.
If you want to see the commander so badly, I'll take you to him. In pieces.
अरे तू कायले एवढा सपोर्ट करतो. या लाईफची काही किंमत नाही आहे का मंडरले. चांगला फाईट करते रे बा. काय नाव होतं याचा. कप्पा का आप्पा काहीतरी होता ना. याच्या डोक्यात कायले हे
Child. But this will finish him.
काय.
This is getting us nowhere.
बाबू,
I'll
रेड
give
काय
you
करू
one
राहिला
more
तू?
chance. Hand over the Dragon Balls and surrender.
No.
Okay, but let's finish this soon. I'm ready for
बिलकुल.
lunch.
चाल. अरे काहीतरी केलं त्यानं. काय होय लाईटला. हा तर गेला.
So long.
बाबू रेड तुझ्यामुळं तुझ्या माणूस मेला. लक्षात ठेवतो. अबे पुरा अरे 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 अच्छा डायरेक्ट असा चपकून मारू राहिला. अरे बेकार. काय आला. वा हा वापस आला. अबे तू काय आला वापस. पळून जाय ना लवकर. टाइम आहे तर. काय मॅट माणूस आहे रे बाबा.
I live for moments like
मर्सिनरी ताव काही नाही करू शकला. तू लय वाटते हे केलं यानं झालं असं त्याचं काम तर मग. हे कोण आहे. अच्छा हा लटकला आहे. वा 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 वा. चला हा तर जिवंत वाचला. बरं झालं गोकूनं तुला मारला पाय.
Commander.
रेड तुझ्या जीव घेऊन राहिला होता.
Betray me like
हा अय हय आता हा रेडवर पलटणार आहे. टन 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 टन. एक नंबर मजा. आता तो रेडले मारन. गोकुले मारायची गरज नाही आता. गोकुले फुकटात बॉल भेटते.
just one more ball.
हा तेच तर म्हटलं. एक अजून पाहिजे.
My dream
सहाच आहे
as tall as a
फक्त.
mountain will come true.
मग एक कुठं राहणार आहे माहित नाही.
Soon, no one will
एक
ever
वापस
be
शोधायला
able to
जायला
look
लागणार.
down at Commander Red again. I will become ruler of all I can see, and my eyes shall tower over the heavens.
ओ आत्ता माहित पडलं याले काय पाहिजे.
Commander Red.
Huh?
What did you mean by that?
याले माहित नव्हतं काय.
You're still
Alive? Yes, Commander. Sorry to
Oh,
disappoint you, and I heard every word you said. Do you mean all of this was so that you could gain a few inches?
Huh?
Bet. And what's wrong with that?
Huh?
It's a selfish goal that has nothing to do with the Red Ribbon Army.
It has everything to do with this army.
अबे
and
मला वाटलं power पाहिजे त्याले.
These Dragon Balls are the tools I need to make this army and myself huge. It would be a grave mistake to underestimate my plan.
Your lame plan's going to get us all killed.
I am the Red Ribbon Army. What's good for me is good for everyone, and I want to be taller. All my life, I've drawn the short straw. I've had to contend with being a mere pebble in a land of giants. It is the curse of my existence. You couldn't possibly understand what it's like, the nightmare of being a genius, yet trapped inside this ugly little body.
I understand that loyalty means nothing to you. You sold me out for your vanity.
बरोबर आहे.
What's really eating you
चल,
is there's
पलटून
no
जा आता.
commander in front of your name, and there never will be. Do you want to know why? Because you're small time. You're just a lackey, my errand boy.
झालं,
Your age is
झालं.
pathetic.
Looks like I've been promoted. You squandered your power, but I will lead the army into a new era of greatness. My first order of business will be to rule this planet.
आता ते आहे बा काहीतरी गोल.
Thank goodness you're alive.
Yes, I am. Now let's finish this.
नाही आता फाईट करायची गरज नाही.
I
मेला
don't
तो.
want to fight you anymore. I'm a victim just like you.
If that's really true, why are you pointing a gun at me?
You scared me, that's all.
Why are you being so nice to me now?
I told the commander not to hurt you, so he decided to punish me as well.
You fought the commander to save me?
पाय मेला आहे
I don't
तिथं.
like to fight children, so he told me you
Side
were
le
going to
bhai.
hurt him. When I learned you only wanted the Dragon Balls, he tried to kill me to cover up his lie.
Well, why is he on the floor? Is he asleep?
Yes, he said he was feeling ill, so he had to lay down. Bad headache.
If we're not fighting anymore, then do you mind if I take the Dragon Balls?
I'm afraid the commander would miss them when he wakes up. Say, why don't we join forces and collect them together?
But the
बिलकुल काही
dragon
विषय
will
नाही.
only grant a wish to one of us.
I understand your concern, but you have nothing to worry about. The Red Ribbon Army has no interest in the wish. We have everything we could possibly want. The wish is yours. All we want to see is the 7 balls reunited. See, the commander, he has a soft spot for dragons.
No thanks. I don't believe you. Besides, I promised Upa I'd help bring his father back, and you're the reason he got hurt in the first place.
बरोबर आहे.
My deepest apology if there's been some misunderstanding. I'll report this to our customer service department immediately. Give us another chance, that's all I'm asking. Hand me your Dragon Balls and we can be partners. Wouldn't that be fun?
बिलकुल.
I can't trust you. I don't think you really care about me or my friends. I think you just want my Dragon Balls.
नाही होत रे बा, काही नाही होत. एवढा सारा लोकांना त्यानं मारलं. काही शिकला नाही तो. पाय बरं व्हायलेट बिचारी सोडून चालली गेली.
Is like a machine. Maybe that's the answer.
म्हणजे काय आहे आन्सर? काय आहे? अच्छा मेका आणला भाऊ मग फाईट करासाठी. काही नाही होत त्याने, काही नाही होत. हे लोक काय लिहू राहिले आता बिनफुकटचे सारायले मारून तर ठेवला गोकून त्याचा.
about time. I have a feeling Goku's gonna need our help.
बिलकुल नाही. हो ना तर काय
How tough he is, he still has to fight an entire army.
भाऊनं केला फाईट केला पुरा आर्मी.
Oolong has a point, Quark. As skillful as he is, Goku is still outnumbered, and the Red Ribbon Army has quite an arsenal at their disposal.
अर्धे लोक तर सोडूनही गेले.
Stop it already! If you can't think of anything positive to say, then shut up!
तू तर चुपच बसो. तू तर त्याला सोडून येऊ राहिली होती त्या केव मध्ये.
Especially Master Roshi.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'm sure we'll be fine.
Yes, think positive.
It's easy to beat your enemies if you focus hard.
Especially if you pretend they aren't wearing any clothes.
That was easy. We contract labor.
पण तू हे आणलं कुठून? तू काय स्वतःसाठी बनवून घेतलं का हे? दिसून तर रेड रिबनच राहिला.
Now then, which one of these features haven't I tried yet? Oh, a big red button. That looks interesting.
अबे सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्ट सांगते पाहिजो कधीच बिग रेड बटन नाही दाबायची. बिग रेड बटन कधीच नाही दाबायची.
Good night, kid.
काय आहे बिग रेड बटन?
Goku finds himself at the mercy of a madman. Will his friends arrive in time to save him? And what will become of the Dragon Balls? The answer to
झाला,
these puzzling
संपला
questions
episode.
and much more will be revealed next time.
बर,
on
ठीक है.
Dragon Ball.
So now episode 67 has ended and that was pretty anticlimactic. The defeat of Red Commander. Yeah, he is Commander Red. I called him Captain or General, but he is Commander. There was a Captain, there was a General. Now we see a Red Commander. We were told that in the first episode that we were introduced to Commander Red, but then I forgot that he is a commander. I called him a captain or general. But yeah, now I know that he is a commander. He is a Commander Red. I will now call him Commander Red from now on. And the loss of and Commander and Commander Red's loss was pretty anticlimactic, but that was expected. I mean, he was not as powerful as Goku because Goku even defeated Mercenary Tao. I have said this many times, not very, many times that he has defeated, and Mercenary Tao is more stronger than Red, so obviously Red won't be able to defeat Goku. So he was defeated by his own man, and now we see that the black man, sorry to call your color, but I don't know your name, so I am calling you by your color because nobody is as black as you. So yeah, he is taking the charge and going to defeat Goku, and everybody is coming, everybody is thinking that they will have to fight an army, but Goku has already defeated the army. Half of them went away, half of them were done and dusted by Goku. So now the party, I mean Master Roshi and the team will only have to face the black man that is in the robot, the machine, what should I say, mecha, so what should I say, robot? Yeah, I'll call him a robot. And now Goku is down, as the narrator said in the last video, at the end of last video, that was only round 1. Let's see what happens in round 2. And I think round 2 pretty much was ending with Goku winning, but then the man, the myth, the legend brought a robot to defeat Goku, and the robot has so many buttons. He literally said that which one should I press from among the ones that I haven't used till now, and he pressed the red button. So now in the next video, in the next episode, we will going to see what the red button does. I mean, all the movies and series I have seen till now, the red buttons always self-destructs whatever the thing is. So I really think that it will self-destruct, and even if it doesn't, Goku has a pretty big chance of defeating him, because this is not as strong as, I don't think it is at the level of the pirate robot that we saw in the sea cave, at the pirate thing where we fought General Blue. So, and it is just a robot. Goku has defeated many robots like this, so I don't really think that this will be as powerful as that. And if everybody is coming to save Goku and he doesn't need saving, so why is everybody coming? I don't know. There might be some purpose why everybody is coming. something might happen to Goku. This might also be a chance that he kills Goku. I mean, the black man kills Goku, and then the party defeats the black man, and then they collect the balls to bring Goku back to life, if we think that bringing back to life is possible in this anime. So that can happen. That's why they are coming, because they need some purpose. Because everything that happens has a reason behind it, so they are coming, so there should be a reason behind it. They don't need to defeat an army because of the because Goku defeated already. They don't need to defeat Red because he was not that strong. And the robot, I really think that he is not as powerful as Goku, but if the black man really does some underhanded techniques that Goku is, because Goku is very innocent in that sense, yeah, that can result in defeat of Goku. But yeah, I really think that there is no purpose of others, Master Roshi and the team, to come here other than saving Goku from very dangerous situation, because Goku can Goku can take care of himself even fighting with robot. So yeah, let's watch the next let's meet in the next video, and we will watch the next episode in the next video. आणि तोपर्यंत enjoy, bye bye, tata, see you, take care, and don't forget to enjoy. Bye bye. I don't know why I said it again.